Good afternoon, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. The CHIJ Our Lady of the Nativity Brass Band is proud to perform for you a few exciting pieces for this afternoon.
We start off our performance with Starfire Fanfare. Starfire Fanfare is an exhilarating and dynamic fanfare that takes you on a thrilling journey through the vast expanse of space. With its soaring melodies, powerful brass fanfares, and driving percussion, the composition evokes images of celestial wonder and interstellar exploration. Let's put our hands to welcome CHIJ Our Lady of the Nativity Brass Band and their conductor, Mr. Philip Han.
The next piece that we are performing is titled Rock Around the Clock. This timeless rock and roll anthem served as the catalyst for the rock and roll revolution, forever changing the music landscape. Even after nearly 7 decades, this iconic track continues to captivate audiences and remains an enduring symbol of rock and roll's power and influence. Let's grab your dancing shoes and get ready to move and groove to the infectious tune of Rock Around the Clock.
next is a titled Scaling the Mountain of Time. This accelerating piece takes you on a sonic expedition through the vast landscapes of time, as well as the challenges we face as we climb the metaphorical mountain of time. Scaling the Mountain of Time is a testament to the resilience of the human spirit and serves as an inspiring reminder to embrace every step of our journey through life.
The final piece that we are performing for you this afternoon is titled Call to Glory. Call to Glory is a captivating and powerful piece that embodies the spirit of courage, triumph, and heroic determination. The opening fanfare, marked by bold brass and thundering percussion, immediately commands attention and sets the stage for the ensuing adventure. As the music unfolds, the soaring melodies and intricate rhythmic interplay captivate the imagination, evoking images of valor and perseverance. Let's put our hands together once again for the CHIJ Our Lady of the Nativity Brass Band and their conductor, Mr. Philip Han.